Welcome to Road to Manhood. Today we're going to be comparing TripleAliners and Lasfit truck bed liners. Stick around to see how you can win a free bed liner for your Tacoma at the end of this video. These two heavyweights in the truck bed protection are popular for good reason. Both are durable, easy to install, and designed to keep your truck bed in great shape. But which one is good for you? Let's dive in, starting with installation and shared features. Plus, I've got some personal tricks and tips to share with you that might make your experience even better. Let's go. This specific liner fits a 2005 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma, and straight out the box, both companies come folded. Do not stress about the crease, it is absolutely normal. Both brands recommend laying out the mats in the sun for a few hours, letting them soften and settle into its shape. Once it's flat, the installation is a total breeze. All you gotta do is clean out that dirty truck bed from debris and dirt, then slide in the mat and you're all done. No tools, no hassle, both liners fit snugly, and you're ready to roll in a few minutes. Now let's talk similarities. There's a lot. Both TripleAliners and Lasfit mats are made from eco-friendly thermoplastic elastomers. I don't know how to say it, TPE for short. This material is not only tough but long lasting, but it's also great for all weather protection, rain, snow, mud, slush. This mat can handle it all. They both offer slip resistance, which is great to avoid cargo from just lying around over there, and the durable material offers some sort of protection for said cargo. Something I do love, cleanup is ridiculously easy for both products. If it gets messy back there, just fold it up like a taco, pour out any debris, and rinse off with a high pressure hose. Key differences. Looking at these two, they seem exactly the same. I have been testing Lasfit, so it seems a little bit dirtier, but other than that, same shape, thickness. The design on the mold may be a smudge different, but the only difference I honestly noticed was a statement on their website. Lasfit states its edge comes from an extreme temperature performance with a range from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. And TripleAliners, honestly, they're the top selling truck bed liners on Amazon, and I can see why. I honestly don't see much of a difference besides one has a logo and the price. TripleAliners is currently priced at $107 while Lasfit comes at $119. Both are worth every penny, but with TripleAliners you save about $12 and you're still getting incredible quality and features. Now, I have to be real with you. While these mats are fantastic, I found a couple of quirks that I worked around. These aren't necessarily cons, more like personal preferences. First off, while both mats resist water really well, neither has a drain hole. This is great for cleanup, but this also means that if water gets trapped in your truck bed, that mat will hold it instead of letting it drain through the regular truck bed holes. This can damage cargo if it's just sitting in water. My solution? I made a few small holes in the mats to line up with the truck bed drains. Problem solved. Second, you will notice that both liners have these big circular covers at the end that go over the anchor points. I personally use every inch of my truck, so I went ahead and removed those covers to expose the anchors. Not only did this give me more functionality, but I found at the end it actually pins down the mats even better. It was a little tweak that worked out really well for me. So here's the bottom line. Both TripleAliners and Lasfit bed liners are incredibly high quality products. They're easy to install, provide outstanding protection, and clean up like a dream. They're also super similar. There's not a huge difference between the two. I have been surprised on how much value these bed liners offer. Whichever one you choose, you're getting a product that'll keep your truck bed in great shape for years to come. For a chance to win a free bed liner, like, subscribe, and comment below, who do I have sitting on the dashboard of my Tacoma? The first to have all three wins. Like and subscribe either way. Hit that bell button for reviews just like this one. Feel free to watch some more videos right now.